Horse racing now, two-time champion jockey Raddesh and a three-time former champion trainer Anthony Nunes dominated Saturday's 11 race card with 5 winners each. Denise Walters has our racing review.
The pair of jockey Raddesh and trainer Anthony Nunes teamed up for 3 winners, including 1-2 favourite Of a Revolution, who won the main feature, the SVRL Anniversary Trophy, a graded stakes open allowance contest going 5.5 furlongs. Running with the visor on, Of a Revolution recovered from being bumped out when last at the races in February to score a comfortable first win this season.
It's Of a Revolution, straight in through in front, just coming to the furlong pole, and Of a Revolution looks to have this one all sewn up. They're all chasing Of a Revolution. Zulu Warrior is right there in second, right there third. That's Money Market, but Of a Revolution will win the 9th running of the SVRL Anniversary Trophy.
7-year-old chestnut horse Of a Revolution won in 1 minute 7 flat by 4.5 lengths. Meanwhile, Neostar went one better than he did in February to land the second running of the International Women's Day Trophy, an overnight allowance contest for 3-year-olds and up, going 9 furlongs and 25 yards.
Neostar now beginning to lengthen strides, but Don Quezzy maintains the advantage. A quick change of hold as they drive toward the furlong pole. It is Don Quezzy. Neostar now coming with a charge on the outside, and Neostar joins Don Quezzy, but the moment is a brief one, and now Neostar, the favourite, strikes the front. Don Quezzy trying to fight back, but it's not going to happen. Neostar wins the second running of the International Women's Day Trophy.
Conditioned by Nunes and one of 2 winners for apprentice Tajay Suku, 7-year-old bay horse Neostar won by 2.5 lengths in 1 minute 58 flat.
I've been worried from Mr. Breaker's word, so that don't make sense. I lie to you.
That's a masterpiece right from Jockey Suku.
Yeah, considering what happened in the game, yes.
Well, he said one horse in the race that have great speed is Don Quezzy, so just get a good break, try find myself up front, but if Don Quezzy wanna do a duel, just let her go on, cause I have a lot of us in man. I know that us well prepared. Well, I was wondering because I see that I was skidding away and I chasing, but when I come to the top of the lane, I realized that I grab him and I just continue ride.
Jockey Javanil Patterson also rode a double. Racing continues next Saturday. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.